Hey yo, this is Dash, and this is your opportunity to ask me anything you want to. Well, almost anything. If you guys don't know, if you weren't around for last year, during the month of December, when barbecue views are down, we gotta do something to help get those views back up. That being said, what I'm gonna do for the month of December is you guys get to ask me almost anything. So all you have to do is leave a comment down below, ask me your question, and I hopefully will get to respond to it in the form of a video. So don't be bashful. It really won't take more than about half the month to hopefully get enough questions for me to answer and do a video every single day. I really would like for you to ask me a question down in the comments below. Thanks as always for watching, and I hope to answer your question soon. Let's see. All right. So, oh gosh, I'm looking at some of these questions here. Anyway, this, I think I've lost count already. Hopefully this is video number 8. And if it's not video number 8, then maybe I will put it in the spot of video number 8 just to make sure I have it done correctly. This next question is brought to you by my man Marcus down in Dripping Springs, Texas, from the Crimson Creek Smokehouse. It doesn't roll off my tongue like it probably does yours. Anyway, Marcus says, your thoughts on small wild game? I mean, rabbit, squirrel, quail, dove, etc. Have you tried it? Ever plan to? Rabbit probably would be between rabbit, quail, and dove. Alright? Bless you!
Thank you.
Rabbit, quail, and dove would probably be like the extent of where I would eat. I probably would not eat squirrel if given the opportunity to be able to eat something else. Not that I... Didn't I say quiet on the set?
I'm sorry, I sneezed.
Jeez. Taste the son number 3 sneezing. I'm trying to do videos here. Anyway, I can't say that I won't eat squirrel, but I will say that if given the opportunity to eat something else, I would try to eat something else. I grew up in the city. I like beef, chicken, other things aside. Lamb. I really like lamb. I like salmon. I like certain fish. So having to eat small wild game is just not something that I've had to do. That being said, I won't say that I won't do it. I try to almost never say never. But I mean, I feel like this is one of those things where you set me up, and if I come to Texas, or not if, when I get to Texas and we link up, you're gonna be like, so remember you said, boy, just get me drunk first, all right? That's all I ask. Anyway, thank you, Marcus. Really do appreciate your support. Definitely appreciate the talks and the random text messages I get from you. Best of luck with you and your trailer. If you are ever in the Dripping Springs area, make sure you go past the Crimson Creek Smokehouse trailer. Check out Marcus, though. Make sure you place your order for food ahead of time. Go on his website. I believe it's just crimsoncreeksmokehouse.com. I don't know. Again, this is off the cuff. And place your order ahead of time so you can make sure that you eat, because don't sleep, you won't eat. All right, thank you guys so very much for watching.